My name is Dean Cleesis, and before co-founding Gigantum, I was at the Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory. So when I was there, I was working on a lot of large-scale collaborative neuroscience projects and also collaborating with clinicians at Johns Hopkins Hospital. And so during that time, I really felt the pain that people have when they try to work with very heterogeneous teams where people have very different skill levels and things they care about. And just with the very fast-paced world that is data science, things change so much, and it was hard to collaborate. And that really inspired us and gave a lot of the founding principles around what Gigantum should be and how we should build it.
My name is Tyler Whitehouse, and before co-founding Gigantum, I worked as a consultant in the DC area for a variety of government funding institutions. And prior to that, I had a brief career as an academic mathematician. When working in the government space, I saw a lot of problems around the handoff of code and data to sponsors and a variety of other stakeholders, and it was just a complete disaster, and that's a lot of what my motivation in joining the company was.
So the main purpose of Gigantum is to help level this playing field and help very diverse groups of people work together when doing data science. It's a tool that enables people to work distributed manner, so they can be at different institutions, they can work on their laptop, they can work on shared resources, yet still seamlessly share with each other. So we've created an abstraction that lets you have a transaction with other users that includes everything you've done. Includes your code, your data, your environment, all your work history, so you can share with somebody and they can see what you've done and build on top of it.
Well, I mean, the one thing that really marks it as different at the moment is that it's local in nature, and that it's also holistic and integrated in nature. Like, we really focused on the user, what the user needs, not trying to force the user into some sort of a square that they don't want to be in. And that part of that means letting them work where they want to work, and people want to work locally. So for me, that's one of the very strong differentiators at the moment. Digital science is obviously going to help us with respect to its network and the access that it has to a wide variety of people in different industries, different roles, etc. The other thing is that the shared value system, that we know that we can make certain choices about doing things that maybe another investor wouldn't be okay with. And part of that is because the bottom line for digital science is not making money, it's doing good and doing the right thing.
We're really excited about being part of digital science because we align so well with the core mission of digital science, but also a lot of their portfolio companies. From possible integrations with Overleaf and helping people write better papers, to Figshare and tracking data and minting DOIs. There's a lot of ways that we can see ourselves fitting into the digital science ecosystem.